Welcome to How to Solve. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Instagram. So first is to open your Instagram app, and on your profile page, simply tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then scroll down to Messages and Story Replies. And then here choose Show Activity Status, and then simply turn off these two options. So Instagram has an activity status feature that shows your friends when you were last active on the platform. So by turning off your activity status, others won't be able to see you when you were last active on Instagram, and you will appear less online to them. Remember that changes to your activity status settings might take a little time to reflect, and you won't be able to see the activity status of others either. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.